Alright, good day guys, this is TapSwap. So today's video, I just want to talk about some cheats and methods to make more money from TapSwap. Let's go on TapSwap today. I want to open my TapSwap account. The TapSwap bot starts now. It's loading. I want to show you how you can make more from TapSwap. So the first simple method is you use your tapping gurus, your full tank, which is very obvious, you know. Then boosters, make sure you always upgrade your boosters. You can see I just got started this one. I'm already level 6, level 4. You can also try to use your tab, but use your tab bot only when you've got your tab boosters. But that's not the aim of this video. The aim of this video is how you can make more money and more coins faster. So the first thing is you go to App Store, you download a VPN, the most popular VPN, as long as you can inscribe. Then you inscribe VPN. You always Skype VPN on your phone, you open it, it's already downloaded. First place you go to is you go to US. Just say Atlanta Mountains, connect to Atlanta Mountains, anywhere in US. So in Atlanta Mountains, you go back to Telegram, we close the Telegram app and open it again. Close and open it again, so go TapSwap. Starts now, so you wait for it to load. So it's loading. Then you go to task, you see that you have more tasks. 3,000, 300,000, 300,000, 300,000, 300,000. That's equivalent to 300 times 4. That's equivalent to 1.2 million coins. So we say never miss key insights. Click on miss key insights. Start mission. So you join the Telegram chat. You just join. You go back. Follow X handle. You go. You follow. You come back, you go back to the app, then click on check. 3, 2, 1, 0. So check again, done, finish mission. Then you claim your 300. It's that easy. You go back, you do the same thing. So write crypto news. Starts now. Seconds. It's so boring. It's not 30 seconds. I never knew 30 seconds could be this long. Damn. So 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Then click check, done, finish. Claim. So you go back. So you find all of them. Remember where I was around 2,000. 290,000, sorry. 290,000. So we are done with USA. So we also move it. So now let's go to maybe Germany. To Frankfurt Castle. You remove the app. Let it load, connect fast. Go to Telegram. So from Telegram, the TapSwap bot again. Go to start now. Go to task. See, so this is, remember, we are in Germany. So there's now 300 again. Never miss key insights. Don't finish. Claim. So see, from over 290,000 to 2 million in how many minutes? Less than 5 minutes. So let's try this method and thank me later. Love you guys. So follow me on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. Then also do well to join the links below. So I'll be dropping my Telegram channel for airdrop and my WhatsApp group for airdrop. So join there to receive more updates like this promptly. See you guys later. Tell us out.